Good morning, guys. I'm very late right now, but we're on our way to Zimbali. I don't know what the time is, guys. I woke up and it's so yeah, I gotta keep my intro short. I've seen this beautiful face for the first time. My name is IN ZIMBALI, and this is I think it's my fourth video. Anyways, we're going to Zimbali. Come with me. I'm not changing. So we have arrived. I guess I'm saying the name but don't mind my installation. It was a pretty rough morning. But we came here about like 20 minutes ago, just taking pictures. Now I'm going to change into my summary. Okay, so guys, I just came back from swimming in my lace. But that's fun. But I think New Zealand. But anyways, I think I'm going to buy cocktails now. Just buy cocktails, you know, just to loosen up. Anyways, I'm having a good time. Look at the view. That's an important level. Hello my angels. A very good afternoon, because guess who woke up in the afternoon? Yeah, it's me. I'm not wife material bed, so might as well. Guys, yeah, yesterday was a really chill day, but yeah, my phone switched off. I couldn't vlog more, but I had fun. I don't know if the marks like show, but like yeah, black and whites. But yeah, guys, the food there was nice. It was nice. The food was nice. It was a bit packed, but it was nice. I'd recommend that place to like Mutufuna chilled vibes, you know. But do not go there when it's like December. You can go there maybe. You know, not like so well, you know. But anyways, guys, yeah, we ended up going to the cave. There's a beach there. I didn't see. Oh, it was Thompson's Bay. Yeah, we went there just to take pictures, you know, and yeah, and connect, whatever, you know. So I hope you enjoyed my vlog, which was a bit like short, but I hope you enjoyed. There is still more coming. I really did have a breakdown for like 2 days. I was just like, I'm quitting, I'm tired of this, you know, because like my views, my second video, I think it was my second video, I got a lot of views the day I posted it. Like it didn't take like a week for it to get to 177 views, you know. So the third one is really going slow, and like I'm working on it. I was like literally giving up, because what the fuck, you can't tell me. And I always want the faster way in life, you know. Anything that's faster, that's gonna get me there, you know. Yeah. But yeah, I'm just resting today. I hope you enjoyed my vlog. And there is more coming. I promise. I gotta have more activities. I gotta be outside more. Okay, I'm gonna try. But But I love you all and thanks for supporting me. Mwah.